Hello friends, myself Rohit and welcome all of you on Rohit Tech Study channel. So dear friends, today we make first programming C language. So dear friends, first of all, we open our C programming application and select a new page. And now I write coding and after coding I explain it. So dear friends, our coding is done and now save this file and write the file name what you want. C programming extension file name .c. So dear friends, now run this program and now I explain this program. First of all, hash include. Hash include is the preprocessor directive in C, and stdio is the library where the function printf is defined, and printf is used for generating output. Before using the function, we have to first include the required file, also known as header file. So dear friends, the main function is a part of every C program. We can represent the main function in various forms such as in this, the empty brackets indicate that this function does not take any argument, value or a parameter. So dear friends, the keyword void means the function does not return any value. In this case, the last statement is also always get getch. Now curly brackets indicate the starting and end of a program. These brackets must be always put after the main function. So dear friends, the semicolon determines the end of the statement. In C, each statement must end with a semicolon. So dear friends, I hope that all of you understand that how write C program and how save it. So friends, please subscribe our channel and like video and press the notification bell icon so that you all got updates of next video.